My people, my country people, how una dey? Agree to una according to una time. Oh, my country people, una don hear. Una don hear say Sarah Martin don outrightly reject Sapet Edochie call. Una know say this thought gbas goes when e be say e dey happen for social media. When e be say new revelation just dey come out, we just dey our own. No, Sarah Martin just come out. Whether na Kambili ghost na dey pursue and say you must talk wetin you know about this whole things, we no know. Sarah Martin begin dey drag Judy Ekwensu. Na a lot of people say Sarah Martins, if you be say you get wetin you know, make you talk. My people, without being told, we know say we get wetin Sarah Martins know when e be say e never seen talk. When e be say no do, e must talk am. So when Esther Sky, the 3,000 body count lady, come out to come drag Sarah Martin, say no say na him carry Judy go where the for take tie your Edochie. So when all this whole thing just dey happen anyhow, now Sapet Edochie say no, he go must see the end and the beginning of this whole thing. See wetin dey sub. He has to send for Sarah Martins, which Sarah Martin refused to come. Una dey say am so. Sarah Martin refused to come. Meanwhile, Sarah Martin don go for her social media platform to go deny the allegation when Esther Sky, 3,000 body count lady, put on top of Sarah Martin, said, say na Sarah Martins na carry Judy Ekwensu go where dem for tie am. My people, they talk and say in every element of word there must be an atom of truth. In as much as say Sarah Martins don come out to come say in a repentant BK, he don repent, say he no follow Judy Ekwensu again. Come they try to talk, the things wey be say transpire between them with Sarah Martins when e be say Queen May was mourning when Queen May lost in son. And a lot of people they wonder say how this whole thing just stay happen when e be say we know say Judy Austin carry belle for your Edochie born boy, which is Sadike. All of a sudden your Edochie no want take I see Queen May, he no want take I see in daughter Daniel, he no want even take I see in children. All everything when he be say is center around your Edochie na Judy Austin. Down to when he lost in Pikin, when he be say he's supposed to, when the family needed him the most. Now that time now he go cleave onto Judy. So according to Sarah came out to tell us say when that thing happen, him tell Judy say this woman just born. No, that is Queen May just born, but for where your Judy say for where say na she na Queen May want to buy na back to sender. Now what he want to do and now return back to her. Sote. They even went as far as going to see fake prophets when he be say he come finish work for where your Edochie dey. When Sarah Martin they try to talk say na prophet place then go. Esther Sky they say no, na native doctor. Now according to wetin we dey hear, we hear say Judy Austin say he go deal with Sarah Martins. Meanwhile, Sarah Martin don't come out with her full chest. Say Judy Ekwensu no go fit do anything. Say because even when be say dem go see that prophet when he gauge, the prophet confirm and say yes. Say he ready come life. That is, he no be push and start. He no be your Edochie. When he get chicken spirit, when he be say anybody go just catch am, which he come tie and keep for one corner, he go begin dey do like canary. No. Say if Judy crossing territory, he go crush am. Hey, my people no be small thing o. Meanwhile, Sapet Edochie, as he send for Sarah Martins say she goes nowhere. a lot of people say yes, na good. Make Sarah Martin no go. Na dey break. Na dey break. Una know say Sapet Edochie no know say this whole thing go for press Yul Edochie. And as they break, when we make success, they make progress. Na so Yul Edochie they depreciate, they go down. According to Sapet Edochie get the kind waka when he be say waka, then tell am say, hey, say this particular woman wey be say in son wey be Yul Edochie dey with, he say that woman na fair weather woman, that is Judy Austin. He say when the time reach, he say Judy go borrow leg, he go run. He say Judy no go stay with Yul Edochie. So the earlier Sapet Edochie start to dey make amen, see how they go see this whole thing, make sure say this marriage no break, the better for her. Say because this one said the marriage never even break, na separation. They never sign divorce, na separation. But see the way the whole thing they go. Say time go reach when it be say Sapet Edochie no go recommend, you no go recognize Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie never see anything. No. So my people, this drag, when we say that they drag Judy Austin here and there. Judy Austin Congo, they employ, they recruit new set of people, new disciple. When it be say they go help them battle this battle. Because when I say this whole thing, when we say Judy Austin enter, so if I tell una say Judy Austin they enjoy this whole thing, na lie yo. Judy Austin no they enjoy the whole thing at all. The whole thing don't tire Judy Austin. Now the truth be that the whole thing don't tire am. Even Judy Austin's sister, then they call Augusta, he confirm am. He say, if na this one be to marry second wife, say this one no work. Now, according to reports, Sarah Matins, they talk say Judy Ekwensu when he be saying this, so he no get hand, he no carry Judy Ekwensu go any native doctor place, Babalawo, he no carry am. He said the person when he be say then carry Judy Ekwensu waka. Now Judy Ekwensu mama and his sister Augusta. Una know say recently Augusta don dey even dey back at. Say because even the so-called money when they be say dem think say Yul Edochie get, they no see money. Now the truth be that they no see money. So the whole thing don dey tire them. The whole thing e don dey tire them. So all this talk here and there when we say just they go on, when we say Sky they confess and Sarah Martin they talk his own. So Sapet Edochie call Yul Edochie come ask and say all this thing when we say they go on. Say if this whole thing don't get as it be, ain't need to call Sarah Matins. Say and beside all this thing when we say they go on, whether I know they give Yul Edochie concern, Yul Edochie say he know they bother. Say because he know Judy Ekwensu very well. Say he said Judy Ekwensu no fit hot fly. Yay! He said Judy Ekwensu no fit hot fly. Say so if Sapet Edochie like make he involve himself for wetin no be that one dey worry. The one when he be say dey worry na how he want take win this court case when be say he just he dey around the corner. Say na that one na him dey occupy him head. No be this dem say dem no say all this nyama talk where and there we say that they talk about Judy Austin. He said the Judy Austin when he be say no. He said no be today he know Judy Austin. Say Judy Austin no go fit hot fly. Hey, Sapet Edochie when he be say he send for Sarah Matins. Sarah Matins say abeg. He know they this one maybe say then they call and say because he don't talk wetin him talk. And if he be say then they say they want to call him for meeting, meaning say they don't believe wetin him talk. Instead of them to abi they want to buy am, he dey ask. He say abi they want to buy am say because he no want anybody when be say go come scatter anything when be say he has to do with in life. He na very focused person. He no dey snatch person husband. He na business na him dey do. He na business woman. whatever money wey be say in dey make am for herself. My people, no be small thing o. No be small thing wey be say Sarah Matins, they say Sarah Matins outrightly reject Sapet Edochie when e be say Sapet Edochie sef, if Sapet Edochie decide to even call you or decide to grant interview, una know say Sapet Edochie na respected Nollywood actor na. When e be say everybody, if Sapet Edochie talk to you, na be say na privilege. Na Sarah Matins, na wow. Judy, you do this one o. Judy, you really do this one. Na Judy na dey cause all this thing when e be say dey happen for the Edochie's family. Judy bring shame, Judy bring reproach, Judy bring say people wey be say they no reach to talk to Sapet Edochie, they go come dey talk to Sapet Edochie. Judy bring the Edochie's family outside, so tey people dey make caricature of the Edochie's family. According to Sapet Edochie say family when e be say im build, when e suffer build, take a hard work and diligence to make sure say the reputation of the Edochies dey stand intact. Now all of a sudden, one woman when e be say they no even know wetin e stand for, na just come ruin everything. Sapet Edochie say this whole thing when e be say dey happen, e know say no be ordinary bet. My people, some people come dey wonder say, this Sapet Edochie, they too say na strong man na e be. They no understand. They too say Sapet Edochie na strong man when e be say who be Judy Ekwensu when e be say Judy Ekwensu go just come tie him pikin like that gidi. Because whether they like it or not, Sapet Edochie supposed to believe say true Judy Austin use means on your Edochie. Judy Austin use means. The only person when e be say this thing dey bother well when e be say e foul, he said Judy Austin can never step her foot for her compound. Na be Mama Josephine. Mama Josephine, that one, Judy Austin no even fit try herself. As Judy Austin dey do all this her rubbish rich, no fit try am. And funny enough, una know say anybody when e be say Judy Austin according to wetin dem talk, na dey control your Edochie. Anybody when e be say invest for that person with your Edochie must be enemy. Must be enemy. See, as in that is why if dem get Mother's Day, your Edochie no go answer im mama. If dem get Mother's Day, even if dem celebrate Mother's Day, your Edochie no dey celebrate im own mama. The only person when be say go celebrate na be Judy. Meanwhile, the time when be say your Edochie was married to Queen May, if you want to celebrate Women's Day like this, that's why you go celebrate Queen May, you go celebrate him mama, as in all the women when he be say a day for in life. But this one, Judy bad though, Judy wicked. That is Judy do your Edochie so tey your Edochie no know him mama again. Hey, terrible. So my people, in the midst of all these gbasgbos, all this hula balloon, Judy Ekwensu, una notice one thing, una notice in body countenance, una notice say Judy Ekwensu were they smart before, all of a sudden we know they see Judy. Judy does not come outside, Judy does not do anything, Judy no come dey smart again. Judy no come dey excited about this whole thing. A lot of people come dey say, na wetin dey sup? Yes. The thing when they solve now be say Judy dey panic. Judy know say as this whole thing, because Sarah Matins one of the see so he know a lot, and Judy know say if they find out a lot of things about this whole thing, he go there at the receiving end. This thing fit even land am to kirikiri, because as a big secret wey be say Judy Sarah Matins know about Judy. Judy now just dey like person when be say you don't enter into the state of the pre. Yes, she does not talk, she's not happy. All those sabi when she dey come out dey come do, all of a sudden na so Judy shocking herself. Na so Judy shocking herself. Judy no dey talk again. My people, una don notice say Judy no dey talk again. How all of a sudden Judy, when e be say they very lousy, any small thing don't come do, now come decide to, because a lot of people say after Queen May birthday, they say Judy just carry hand pull for joy. They think in life. Say he made them be good in a man, because this one when he be say enter, so no be am at all. According to wetin they say Judy they talk, Judy say he don't make big mistake. Say if she had known, she would have remained single. They date you. She enjoyed this thing when she was dating you. But this one when he enter, say na married now. The thing, you know just jail for am at all. Kai, my people, now wow. But according to as Judy Austin they lament, Judy Austin still beat in chest, say as far as this marriage is concerned, say no, there's no retreat, no surrender. A lot of people say, Judy Ekwensu they very, 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 very dangerous. Say make Sarah Matins make he prepare, or make sure say if he be say he gets what he want to talk about Judy, but he better talk am, make he no use and clashes, because Judy na person when he be say, they forget to. If Judy talk say he go deal with you, he go really deal with you. Say na just matter of time. Say so. According to Sarah now, Sarah say himself strong gidigba. Say himself in whole inside. Say so power jam power, nothing dey happen. But for now, they go answer any call from anybody, be it Edochie, be it anybody. Say because he know them very well. If he say okay, make him come, they come, they go go lay ambush wait time before you know. Say nobody go take him on our way. Himself in the spiritually alert. Make Judy Ekwensu try him in several ways. He go fall in 1,000-fold. My people, now wow. Now all these things only be say they happen between Sarah Matins and Judy Ekwensu. Una no know say, she una no say na God of women na in that work. Because Bible talk and say even when your ways please the Lord, He will make your enemy to please you. Una no say right from time when be say this whole marriage gbas happen. The way be say Sarah Matins was supporting Judy, all of a sudden spirit of confusion come upon them. Two of them now they fight, they disgrace themselves. They never really talk with him though, because if Sarah open in mouth, according to what some people talk, they say if Sarah open this in mouth to talk the things when he be saying no, the whole Nigeria go scatter. Social media go catch fire, I'm telling you. And Judy herself know. And in the same spiritual missile to Sarah Martin, they want am. Say Sarah Martin, don't DM me, because you know now, my people, una no say Chinedu Bernard. Now so that one follow Judy Austin. Struggle your Edochie. They talk and say Judy Austin, say spiritually, now Ogbongidi for the spiritual realm. Say she can do anything. She can do anything when it comes to your Edochie. Even though self say she dey regret the marriage, why Judy they regret this whole marriage? Because of the financial aspect of it. Nothing will be, according to what they talk, they say Judy Austin don't double in hustle, don't produce movie, he don't direct, nothing when he don't act, but still go no go, say nothing they happen financially. Now so everywhere lock, every door lock for their side. They lock for your Edochie side, he lock for Judy side. Say so now the thing I be the limitation. If not, my people, so we will bring una exactly update as the matter they go. The major thing now for this video now be say Sarah Martin reject, green answer Sapet Edochie. Now people they say that even now they break. Now they break. I beg you, my people, make una like, make una share this video. They bring una update as things don't unfold. Una have a nice day. Bye.